Yo, what's going on, people? Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel once again. In today's video, I'm gonna be telling you guys how you can grow your Discord server in 2021. But before we're gonna do that, I want to quickly give a shout out to those people who have boosted my Discord server. If you want a shout out in the next video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and to join my Discord with the link on screen or the link in the description and boost my Discord. The first tip I have for you to grow your Discord server is inviting your friends. To start your Discord server, you always need to have your friends. If your Discord already has some people who are chatting, then new people would stay more in the Discord and they won't leave. Step number 2 I have is server lists. My Discord server has a lot of server lists. Some that I use is Discord server list, Discord, me, and Discord. I will put links to some Discord server lists in the description down below. The next tip I have is partners. Having some partners is one of the best ways to grow your Discord server because you have servers where you can get recognized. Basically what partners mean, you are promoting another one's server and he promotes you back in his server because people can join that if they would see your partner message and they think this is something I want to join. The next tip I have is to get some advertisement channels. If you put your links on some advertisement channels, people would also find your Discord and maybe they can join it if they want to. There are some really good Discords where you can do that, but make sure you only do it on the channels where you can do it, otherwise it's against their rules and that's not what we want. I will put some links to some advertisement Discords in the description down below. The next tip I have is to put it on your social medias. A lot of people already use social media and I think you also use it because you are watching this video. So to put it on your social media is a really great way because social media is one of the easiest way to grow and then people are finding your channel because you are promoting your Discord channel in your social medias. And another bonus tip I have is to join my Discord with the link in the description down below. I also have a self-promotion channel where you can promote your Discord server or your social media or whatever you want to promote. You can promote it in this channel and people can follow, join, or whatever you are promoting. They can help you with it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you want to see on this channel in the next video. And then I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.